Ganda ng panahon ngayon. Yun nga lang, malamig na. Hindi ko na-check kung anong temperatura sa labas. Yan, mamaya checkin natin. Ganda oh, may araw. Paborito ni CJ. Say hi. What's the reason why you didn't go to school today?
My leg.
What?
My leg, because I was running 8 minutes in the gym yesterday.
Okay. So that's her reason why she didn't go to school today. Video. Alright. Well, we're having our breakfast. Hey guys, good morning. Si CJ din nakapasok sa trabaho dahil masakit yung kanyang paa. Buti na lang ako ngayon. Unang araw na naman sa day off ko. At ito as usual, nasa importance kami ngayon. Hindi ako, nakasanayan na namin or ako mag-COVID dito sa Teams. Kaya ito, sige, ayan, ulit yung shoot. Barber's shop, like it? So, off ko ngayon. 3 days na yung aking car sa auto body. Nung previous na vlog ko, nung nakabangga ako ng gear, nagpunta ako sa SGI. Tapos nagpa-appointment ako sa auto body shop. Ngayon yung car ko 3 days na nasa auto body. And then ngayon pinalo ko ngayon this morning, Thursday. Okay na daw, kakarwasin na lang daw, tapos na. Kakarwasin na lang daw, tapos mamaya sabi ko mga 1 or 2 PM pupunin ko na siya. And sakto lang dahil may pupuntahan pa ako ngayon this morning. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Yan. Careful. Yep. Okay. Tapos pupunta kami sa hospital para kunin namin yung susi ng bahay dahil wala pala akong susi. At napasama dun sa car na nasa body shop na pinapagawa ko. So yun. Kunin muna namin yung susi. Guys, ito yung courtesy car or loaner car. Na habang yung car ko nasa body shop, pag-aari ito ng body shop na kung saan ginagawa yung aking car, at ito muna yung ginagamit ko. Courtesy car or loaner, yan tawag nito, para sa mga customer na nagpapaayos ng sasakyan na walang magamit. Ito to, Dodge Charger. Right, punta muna kami sa hospital para kunin yung susi. Ayan guys. Ito yung Dodge Charger na courtesy car. Gamit ko. Grabe ang lakas sa fuel. Malakas na sumunog compared dun sa car ko. Yung kasi maliit lang na engine yan. So yan guys, sarap magkape oh. Drive muna ako guys. I'm like a cab driver, baby, taxi driver.
No.
Because I have nobody nobody by my side. So you're my customer, right? I'm driving you like a cab. taxi because nobody's sitting here and the passengers
Yeah, because I'm not big enough.
you're not allowed to. Look at the trees, almost no more leaves, right? Okay. Okay, heading kami sa sa hospital para kuhanin yung susi. Okay, may taga-camera tayo ngayon si CJ dahil habang nasa Manibela ako, bawal cellphone. Okay lang kapit sa holder, may holder tayo. Problem yun. Video lang.
And actually,
You see the take a look on the tower. See the tower? Hey guys, may tower, ayan. So yan yung symbol ng city namin. Dito sa city na yan. Ang Esteban ay Energy City. Yan. Kita nyo yan, may angkla. Kumbaga parang sa nag-trailing. Mamaya doon ako dadaan mamaya. Makikita natin yung parang flats. Take a look over there, baby. That restaurant. So, flats. Ayan, the flats. Nag-work din ako dyan, guys. Sa kusina dyan.
wait, don't.
Yeah, I used to work there when you were still a baby.
What about Mama? Where does Mama work?
Ito yung hospital. Ayan. Yung car. Joseph Hospital. Ito yung emergency. Dito yung may chopper, helicopter pa. Kailangan ng air support.
Papa,
Yung helicopter dyan naglalandi.
excellent.
Ambulance dito. Dyan. Pag emergency talaga. Okay. Daming nakapark. So, turn around tayo. Take a video on the other side, baby. Wow, ang ganda ng kotse, Camaro.
Oh, that's a nice green.
Ito yung pinaka-front. Yung front ng hospital na yan. Yan, may flag ng... Guys, may flag ng Canada. Baby, take a video on the flag.
Where?
There. There's a flag. The flag ng Canada at saka yung yellow-green is the flag ng Esteban. No, sorry. Saskatchewan. Yan yung flag ng Saskatchewan. Yung green yung dilaw. Okay, dito na kami sa ayan, no? Cactus Auto Body there, over there. To get or check my car. They said it's done. So let's see kung okay na talaga. Oh, the car is there. So maybe we can park over here. Have you seen my car?
Yeah, they seen it too.
Where?
They can
Oh,
see
no.
it.
I think not right here. So go in the other side. So my car got fixed over there. gabi. So let's park this one here. The way where I get this car was parked over here. It was parked over here. So ayan na yung aking car. Ayan, nagawa na. And wala na yung bangga ng ano guys. Wala na yung bangga ng deer. Dito yung banda oh. Bago na rin yung headlight niya. Backlight na yan bago. So bali yun yung ginawa. Ayan, bagong bumper. Ayan.